The next dance we would like to dance for you is Blue Bayou Rumba. Now, we would like first of all to show you the basic step of the rumba. Gentleman, of course, starting left, lady right. Forward, replace to the side, and back, replace to the side. Now, there are movements when the gentleman does a basic, where the gentleman actually will close his feet on step 3. Now, to break the dance down for you, we start with a hip twist. Note that the gentleman is closing his feet on step 3. The lady will step back, replace forward, swiveling to face the line of dance. Forward, replace together, and the lady has swiveled. The gentleman will step back on the right foot, back, replace to the side, while the lady continues a hip twist, forward to the side and forward to finish on the gentleman's left side. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to do an inward turn, changing hands, gentleman's right hand to lady's left hand, forward to the side and back. We do a rock on the spot. 1, 2, 3. This is followed by 3 circular walks to change of place, with the lady passing underneath the gent's right arm. 1, 2, 3. We now do a New Yorker, which is check, replace to the side, turning to face partner, and adopting handshake hold. Check, replace to the side. Handshake hold is where we both join right hands together. Now, let's go back to the beginning, and we will demonstrate the first 8 bars to you again. Basic, ladies hip twist to change of place. The inward turn, changing hands, and a Cuban rock. Changing places with the circular walks to a New Yorker, ending in handshake hold, facing the wall. We are now in the right position to start the Turkish towel, which starts with a basic into an alemana, bringing the lady onto the gent's left-hand side behind his back. Forward, replace together, and turn the lady under the arm, keeping the right hands joined at the ear level. Now our Turkish towel and the check, replace to the side, check, replace to the side, check, replace to the side, finishing with the lady on the gent's right side. We do a New Yorker, which is a check, replace to the side, joining left hand to lady's right hand. Check, replace to the side. The boy now has 3 progressive walks, turning the lady underneath his left hand. 1, 2, 3. We cross over, close together and step to the side, turning to face partner, and finish with our side chassis, side, close, side, together, side, close, which brings us back to our starting position and the correct hold. We're now going to dance the 16 bars and count you through. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4, 13, 2, 3, 4, 14, 2, 3, 4, 15, 2, 3, 4, 16, 2, 3, 4.